Hello guys, I just received this package from RVS Citrus. Oh, and you can probably see my address. And this package is a Camelback Motherlode. And we are outside in the countryside, opening it up today. Oh, it's upside down. Oh, that's only the receipt. Let's see what we got in the package. Bubble wrap. Box it away. This is how it comes if you order it online from RVS Citrus. And as usual, almost childproof. Get in. You got all the tags, antidote water, and Cordura. It's Cordura 500 ripstop, same as yeah, it's the same as the other pack I bought, the H.A.W.G. Laser cut. Fuck, there's mosquitoes out here. Yeah. Oh Jesus. Anyway, so here you got tags, lifetime guarantee, got your back, lifetime guarantee sticker, comes in black, coyote or multicam, and this is multicam of course. It's got a 3 liter antidote long. It's 37 liters of load space, and then 3 liters of water. So all in all, it's 40 liters. Yeah, and of course the hose is covered by neoprene. It's that dark earth kind of color, and same as with all of them. Got the cap for the bite nozzle, and on the back, waist straps. They're quite nice actually. They're much thicker than on the H.A.W.G. This is a lot thicker, and we'll be able to take the weight better. Shoulder straps are a little bit different than the H.A.W.G. I got the H.A.W.G right here so you can have a look. The H.A.W.G has this edge sewn into it. Seems like we don't have it here on the Motherlode. The thickness feels about the same, but the seams on the straps here are a lot more, sewn in, if you want to call it, across and everything. So a bit more sturdy in the H.A.W.G, in the seams anyway. Otherwise, this part of the strap is exactly the same. Quite nice. Here you got the strap for cinching it down to make it more compact. Just strap it together. Here you got a small opening, loader, to be able to pack small stuff like, let's say glasses or keys or whatever. They say night vision and stuff on the advertisements, but it's not that thick and not that soft up here to withstand a smack, so I wouldn't dare to put in a night vision in there because it's quite costly. And this is supposed to be the admin cap. Yeah, there you go. Admin section. Nice netted area for putting in stuff that you don't want to fall around. Bungee cord with some hook and loop on it. The Velcro, whatever you want to call it, for some bigger notebooks, pens, whatever. Maybe a magazine of some kind. I'm not talking about magazine that you read. I'm talking about rifle magazines. I'm not so into the AR market, so I don't know exactly how the size of the magazines on AR. So you can definitely get a couple of pistol mags and a couple of Glock mags in each of these. No worries. Yeah, a couple of Ruger 1022s as well. Yeah, we got the molly here on the side as well. This is the old standard version with the strap material sewn in. And yeah, that's what I was going to say about here. Here is laser cut molly to lighten up the pack. But it looks really great. It works fine. I tried it out on the other bag. Jeez, eating up in my face. And the same is on the other pack for antenna. This goes into the main compartment, so you can have a radio in there, get the antenna out, or any other combination. It's got a mosquito. It's mosquito in my mouth. Put that on. Same on the other side here. Good grab handle. Big main compartment goes, yeah, let's snap these. It's not a full clamshell, it opens up pretty far down, and you got cinch point here to cinch stuff stuck to it, and then yeah, as well like a netting pouch on the top here for other stuff. And according to the advertisement, this is so you can cinch down the radio, for example, or some heavy duty stuff. I use some bungee cord, and when I was for my laptop in the other one, works great. Yeah, I must say overall this is really good quality, all of it. And as with as with the H.A.W.G. Oh, this is a lot more padding in the lumbar section and on these areas. And it's got a hard plastic plate inside to make it more. It's a bit flexible, but fucking hard. Out. Oh, there you go. Keep the rigidity of the backpack. And here you got the hang up. I'll show you like this. Standard antidote long, 3 liters, quarter of a turn opening. I'm stressing through this a bit because of the mosquitoes are just eating me alive. And I see I dropped a lot of these silica bags. Put them inside again. I'm going to be using this as a weekend pack, and I'm going to use the H.A.W.G as my EDC pack. But really sturdy quality, really like it. yeah, what can I say? It's Camelback. It's really good quality. This is my first like hands-on with the pack. All the rest of the stuff is things I just read about it. So, oh yeah, and all the straps comes with Velcro, so you can roll them up, so you're not just dangling in the wind, getting caught up on stuff. That's a really good bonus. Let's do a quick next to each other here. As you can see this, you can compare them a bit. Very similar width. The width of the Motherlode is a little bit wider, just a tad like that total, and the height is about the same on the tallest point. So it's like 17 liters more space in the Motherlode. I'll be using it on, like I said, on weekend packs when I go somewhere over the weekend, or if I fly, I will be using the Motherlode, since that follows the size restrictions on the airlines here around where I live. So it will be perfect. This one is a little bit too small for a weekend pack when you go visit somebody, but for a day pack or EDC, I'll be EDCing it since I bought it, and it's perfect. It's just perfect. Never knew how thirsty I was when I was out walking in town, like, until I got one of these. Walk around with a liter of water in it and tend to drink it up and refilling it again. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you a bit. Have a nice day.